All right, we are here at the Field Museum. We are back. Last time we were here, we saw some dinosaurs, checked out where Sue was. Today, we want to see all the different other places. Let's go see and explore what the Field Museum has here in Chicago. Let's go! The Field Museum reopened on January 23rd. We wanted to show you around and show you how things are a little bit different. Here, we're going to look at some prehistoric animals, check out some ancient civilizations, look at some new exhibits, and see what else we can discover. Before you go, make sure to reserve your entry time at the website. We like to park at Soldier Field because it's right across the street from the Field Museum. Generally, you get your tickets right here in the main entrance, but now you have to go to the east entrance and get your tickets. A lot of work has benefits where you can actually get into here free, so make sure to check out with your work because we've actually used this and it's amazing because the whole family really gets in free on certain times. Right when you get here, you'll discover Stanley Field Hall. As a little kid on field trips, these larger-than-life elephants always blew me away. And also, if you look straight up, you'll see these Native American totem poles. These massive chompers belong to Megalodon, one of the largest sharks ever discovered. And get this, the Field Museum even used our photo for their Instagram page. And the trip here isn't complete unless you see Maximo, the Titanosaur. So this is one of Maximo's real bones. So how tall are you, Melissa?
5.5 feet.
So, just look at that. One thigh bone.
That's a thigh bone. That's it.
While you're here, you're going to find a lot of hand sanitizers.
I gotta make sure I'm sanitized.
So, we checked out the What is an Animal exhibit. Can you tell who the teacher of the family is?
And look, this kind of bird, that's a vulture. That's called a griffin vulture. And look at that. Yes, that's a big one. That's a loggerhead turtle.
Rosalie is always learning, and let's see how it looks from her perspective.
Wow, look at that. Look at, that's a muskrat.
Look at that owl.
Yeah, that's a great horned owl. Whoa, that's a spotted eagle ray.
Oh, look at that.
Look, that's a flying squirrel. He has little flaps of skin under his arms and legs. Yeah, he flies.
Another change that they have is they have these little arrows, so everyone kind of flows in the same way as they go through each of the exhibits.
Rosalie, these are called endoskeletons. Like we have an endoskeleton because our skeleton, our bones are in our body. So all of these animals have skeletons on the inside, and that's what it looks like under their skin.
You got a red butt, Daddy.
Yeah, they do have a red butt.
That's a guinea baboon. That's Daddy's favorite animal.
Nope.
Look at this guy. This is a white-eared cob.
Oh, he's so cute.
It's like it looks like a deer that they're by our house.
Oh, that's so cute.
That's a blue duiker.
So we are now entering mammals of Africa.
When I hear the bass play, on the floor, I just wanna let out my roar. Can't wait no more, dancing like we're animals. Hands up in the air, jump around like you don't care. People stare, just put your hands up in the air.
That's a hungry black panda right over here. We'll call him Vic. We got a little bit hungry, so we went to the Field Bistro. Know that they do have food, but very limited menu. All right, we're gonna check out Ancient Americas. Pretty crazy to think how people had to survive back in the day. What I really liked about this exhibit is it showed that humans are very resilient. You know, from learning how to fish, make their own clothes, pottery, and even later on being even able to farm. It's been negatives here in Illinois. I need this outfit.
That's a little kid's outfit.
I'm not very tall. Yeah, right now it's closed. You can actually check out how the villagers lived back in the old days. But you can see this area is now closed.
So I like being at the Field Museum just to learn about how life used to be and just learning a lot about animals, and just one of my favorite museums. I think it's really important to bring Rosalie here too so she can learn about new things. And learn about the world around her as well.
Time to make a quick stop at the gift shop. I need to pick up some postcards for my Patreons. If you're interested in getting a postcard each month from our family, click the description below and find out how you can be part of our Patreon family. We are now at my favorite exhibit from the entire museum, Evolving Planet. This exhibit space is 26,000 square feet, and it tells a compelling story of 4 billion years of life on Earth through displays, videos, and spectacular fossils. When you visit here, you'll come face to face with creatures that ruled the world way before humans came into existence. They include giant sloths, ferocious fish, and of course, everybody's favorite, dinosaurs! Sue is the most famous dinosaur here at the Field Museum. Check out her new home and you'll be blown away by their new visual presentation.
These broken and healed over ribs are among more than a dozen injuries to Sue's bones. Life at the top of the food chain could be brutal. Sue managed to survive to old age, but over time, arthritis ravaged these tail joints and fused them together.
If you want to learn more about Sue and the other dinosaurs here at the Field Museum, check out the video we did at the Field Museum before. I'll put the link in the description below and also in the end cards. Alright, my feet hurt now. I think it's time to head on home. I think we've learned enough.
Yes, we've learned a lot. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell while you're at it. Until our next journey, bye!